up, my nerd herd?
Oh, not a lot except this badge.
My hat is saying insert hat now.
Yeah, insert hat on to head. Nice. Oh, you clipped your nose there a little bit.
Got it.
Right, that's a good little leeway into our silver SQL badge because we're going to be inserting some stuff into the databases and learning and seeing code and all sorts of stuff. And I'm Justice.
I'm Jaco.
And insert question 1 into my ear.
Question 1. A database is made up of one or more
Tables. Yeah, one or more tables. A database is full of different tables.
Question 2. How many tables can a database have?
As many as you need. If you have a small website, maybe you only have 1 or 2 tables. Maybe you're a giant website and you have hundreds of tables of information.
Question 7. When building a website, you can name a table whatever you want. What should you name a table that stores data about users?
Good. All right. Well, if the data that we're saving is about like our users, why not just go ahead and name that table user? That's our user table. You could have a music table, like a food table. You could really have any table that you want.
Question 4. What should we name a table that stores data about pizza places?
Good example. Why not call it pizza? Then we'd have our own pizza table. And then inside that table, we could have a bunch of, a big list of pizza places that are awesome.
Question 5. Tables organize their information in
rows and columns. Yeah, you remember that from our spreadsheets badge?
I do.
It's very, very similar. There's tons of rows of information, and they are organized in columns as well, rows and columns.
Question 6. How many rows and columns can a database have?
Oh, as many as you need. As many as you need. Yeah, the columns are kind of what you use to kind of name and organize the different pieces, and your rows are all of the different entries that you have. So, you typically most tables have a lot more rows than they do columns, but you can really have as many as you need.
Billions.
True, it's possible.
Question 7. How would you select everything in your user table with SQL?
Well, let's show some SQL right here. And now, for the first time, we can actually see some SQL written out. And this right here is selecting everything with that little star from the table user. Yeah. Select star from user. Select everything is what that means from user. So that's some SQL right there.
SQL, baby. Question 8. What is this SQL code doing?
Pull it up again. All right, so these questions and these badges are really meant to kind of demystify or, make you not so afraid of code. So looking at this, this is great because we can pretty much read this. It's like it's written in English. Insert into the table pizza, a store name with the value Domino's. So this SQL code is adding Domino's information, Domino's into the pizza table. Yeah? Insert into the table pizza, into the column store name with the value Domino's. So good, man. I love me some pizza and I love me some SQL.
I do as well, and I like questions, but we're out of them.
Oh, out of questions.
Yeah.
Out of questions, out of stock. Your friendly neighbor around the clock.
And that means we get our badge today.
Yes, go take your quiz and make up a better song, and you try. It's hard.
Best of luck.
It's hard. I'm Justice.
I'm Jaco.
And
We'll see you next time, guys.
wow.